With the turkey rug stitch, we don't need to knot the end of our thread. Instead, we start from the front and push our needle down until we have a strand of thread hanging out. This is where you decide how long you want your strands to be. I'd recommend to go slightly longer because you have to trim it at the end anyway. So now we bring the needle back up near the strand, but it doesn't have to be right next to it, and we make a tiny single stitch here to secure that strand. To start the next stitch, bring the needle up where we want our next strands to be, and bring it down near to where we came up, making a loop. Don't pull the thread all the way through. Keep the same length as our first strand because this loop will become two separate strands at the end. To finish the second stitch, make another tiny stitch next to the loop to secure it. Now repeat that for the next stitch, bringing the needle up where you want your next strands to be, and pushing the needle back down, making a loop. Then make another single stitch to secure that loop. You can make the loops and the tiny stitches in any direction you want, but if you're working on the outside of a shape like I am here, make sure the loop is on the edge with the tiny stitch inside it to keep it looking tidy. Now keep making stitches until your shape is filled. Here I'll demonstrate a few more stitches in real time, then I'll show you how to finish off the shape at the end, so feel free to skip this section if you already have the stitches down. When we're finished, the back should look something like this. So find somewhere secure and tie a knot. With turkey rug stitch, you don't want to be pulling any of the thread at the back because it pulls out the stitches. And you can see that I've done that here when I tried to weave the end of the thread through, so I definitely wouldn't recommend doing that. And now's the really fun bit where we can start making it look fluffy. Cut the loops at the end to make single strands. Now to finish, trim the ends of the strands until you've made the shape that you want.